Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Joyce McTeer and I am the owner and operator of Lajoytra Creation Designs. So, for those of you who watched the video previous before that, I did a haul on some glass gems that I got from Family Dollar, okay? Basically what I did, ladies and gentlemen, was I pretty much washed my gems as much as I could. I washed them off. I cleaned them really good. And I'm going to show you all now how to make some rings. So I'm only going to do two. I'm going to do two rings, okay? So basically, here are the items that you are going to need. You're going to need some, of course, y'all know what I got right here, my favorite, aluminum wire, 12 gauge. You're going to need some E6000. You're going to need some wire cutters and round nose pliers. Okay, so basically what I've already done, ladies and gentlemen, I have already cut my wire. I cut my wire about 17 inches long, so it is pretty long. It's about 18 inches long. Okay, so the next thing what we're going to do next is I'm going to basically pretty much show you how to make the base to put the your gem on. It's real easy, real simple. Now, I know y'all see me do this all the time. This is a simple technique. You're just going to make some spirals, okay? So you're going to take your round nose pliers and you're going to make a loop down at the bottom of your wire. Just like that. And that's pretty much what you're going to have. Now, the next thing you're going to do, if you have a pair of nylon pliers, you can use your nylon pliers. But of course, y'all know I like to use my finger. So I'm just going to make some spirals, okay? I'm going to take my finger and I'm just going to start making a series of spirals. I'm going to roll it down till I get the size that I want for my glass gem. Okay, we want to continue to roll it. All right. And so you pretty much want to roll it down till you get till about, you know, a nice size, because this is going to go on the back of this, just like that. Okay, that is just how simple this is. So basically, I'm going to take my E6000 and I'm going to put a generous amount on the back of this. E6000 got these new little ways of the glue coming out now, y'all. So it's not like it was before where it just come out a lot. But you want to make sure that you are putting a generous, now I'm having such a generous amount on the back, just like this. You want to put as much as you can, because the one thing about this E6000, y'all, this E6000 is awesome. And you get a nice generous amount on just like this. And all you want to do is you want to take this and lay it right over top. Now, basically, what you want to do is you want to take this somewhere, let it set it somewhere, and let it dry for a while. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so I'm basically going to show you how to wrap. So our gem has glued completely, okay? And then the next thing that you want to do is you want to take your wire that you have left, and you just want to go around, but you want to place it over top of the other wire, okay? So you want to do just like this. Okay? And this is what you pretty much what you're going to have. All right? The next thing you want to do, bring it around a little bit more, is you want to make your finger. So you want to size it, pretty much size it to your finger. So you just pretty much want to mold it to fit your finger. Just like this. Okay. And that's going to fit your finger. Make sure that you try it on and make sure you have enough room for your finger. Okay, now how gorgeous is that? Now the next thing that we're going to do is I am going to come down to the bottom of my wire, and I'm going to make, as a matter of fact, I'm going to make a loop down the bottom, and then I'm going to start making a series of wraps, of spirals. Okay, so I'm going to start making a series of spirals. And like I said, if you have nylon pliers, you can use your nylon pliers to do this next stage. Okay, and I'm just going to take my 2 fingers, and I'm sorry if I'm in and out, and I'm going to just start making some spirals. I'm going to come all the way completely down. I'm just showing you a couple different ways that you can do these. Okay, you want to continue to roll it and roll it, and as you can see, it's getting bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Now, I also want you all to know that you could do this one or two ways. You could either leave it like this, or I'm going to show you something else, or you could put a gem at the top of it, okay? So I'm just going to continue to roll it. And see, this is really big. This is a gaudy ring for those of you who like nice big rings. And then all you do, you put your finger in here to adjust it, and you can wear this just like this. Look at that. This isn't going to go anywhere, okay? If you want to make this stiff, all you do is you take your flat nose pliers, or if you have a 3-in-1 pliers, which is this, you just go around and you squeeze it to make it stiff, just like this. Okay, I pretty much showed y'all this technique not too long ago. It was in a previous video. Okay, and that's going to keep it pretty much still. Now, my suggestion to you would be, if you want this whole thing to be stiff, you would have to do that technique to the whole piece. Okay, now basically, if you want to, in my bag I had a couple of different sizes of flat gems. You could basically take one of these and glue it right in the middle, right there, and you have yourself something phenomenal. Okay, something phenomenal, something you won't find in a store. And this jewelry is, even though it's costume jewelry, it's still jewelry that you can make and you can create for. You can have it forever. If you take care of your things, you can have it forever. Okay, I'm going to show you all a couple of things that I have already, a couple of rings that I have already added the gem to. So here is one right here. Wait a minute, that's not, fell apart. Here is one. Okay, and this is different. And like I said, you can wear this a couple of ways. You can wear it this way. Okay. Or you can flip it and you can wear it this way. It's completely up to you on the look that you want, how you want to wear it. Okay, I like this way But this is really nice, y'all, as you can see. And like I said, all you do is you glue one of these gems on and bam, you got yourself a really gorgeous. And let me tell y'all something. You can go anywhere and find these, okay? I was just a Family Dollar. I saw them. I was like, I gotta get it. Y'all know me, right? Just to experiment on it. And you can go to anywhere and get these type of gems. You can go to uh, Walmart. You can go to Michael's. You can go, because in Michael's, these are like, most people use these for like decorations, for like table toppers and all of that. But you also see, and the thing about this too, you don't have to worry about this tarnishing. You don't have to worry about it losing its color. You don't have to worry about none of that because it's glass and it's been coated and buffed and polished and all that, okay? And this will be like this eternally. Like it will never dim. Now the aluminum wire, you may lose a little bit of the color, but this right here, permanent. So look at these. Something different, something unique, something that you've never seen before. I'm going to show y'all one more. That's this one. And I also did it like this with this beautiful stone right here. But I also have this one. And this is the flat one. So I'm going to make this one pretty much just like I've done these right here. And which I am going to roll it down with my wires. Actually, I gotta fit my finger first. Adjust it to my finger. Sorry, y'all. Like that. And just make an adjustment. And it's going to sit on your finger like that. Or you can turn it around the opposite way. And you can wear it this way. Just like that. These are some beautiful glass gems, y'all. So I'm going to pretty much roll this down. Make some spirals and use my finger because y'all know me, right? And I'm just going to roll this completely down so that you all can see the end results. Now, if you want your gem, if you want this one to be big like that, you're going to have to add probably a little bit more wire. The difference between this one and this one is that this I had to make a little bigger because of how wider it is. That's why I used more wire, okay? So, and then you can add your beautiful gem. Drop that right there. Bam. And look at that. Look at that. Look at what you have created. You can find these type of gems, like I said, anywhere. It doesn't necessarily have to be Family Dollar. You can find these anywhere, okay? So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, this concludes my DIY for today. I want to thank those of you who have decided to join me for this. I greatly appreciate it so very much. But don't forget, like I said, if you want this to be stiff, you take it and you go around, you apply some pressure, just a little pressure to make it stiff, okay? Don't push down too hard because you don't want to crack the aluminum wire, just enough to make it stiff, okay? So with that being said, I want to thank those of you who have taken the time out to watch this video. Thank you so very much. I greatly appreciate it so very much. I got some more DIYs coming your way. some more different things coming y'all way. I want to thank y'all for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome day, everyone. Until the next video, peace and blessings. See ya.